W eats.
Yes, sir.
W eats on the floor.
Warning. The stunts in this movie were performed by professionals, so for your safety and the protection of those around you, do not attempt any of the stunts you're about to see.
Yes, sir. What's that word, YouTube? You already know what's going on. Back outside for another one. We about to pull up on campus. They got a little car show. I'm about to go link up with Saint right quick so we can get active. Bringing that 6R back out. We had a lot of content coming, but y'all knew that already. And y'all see we coming Insta360. Y'all know that. I hope everybody been enjoying the content. A couple more videos already ready to be dropped. I don't think I'll ever get over this bike. What other mods y'all think I should add this year? What y'all see? I'ma definitely renew some of my parts and pieces, you know. I'm thinking about adding some more carbon fiber inside. It's different little spots. So stay tuned for that. Y'all know we going up, it's 2026. I'll probably run the Insta360 cam when we get to the meet. So that way when I'm riding through, y'all can see all the cars. Stay tuned for that. Let's hop on road. Another pure sound video coming for y'all soon too. I'm gonna try a different way of recording, cause this bike ain't no joke. I ain't gonna lie. When I get on the highway and be talking, man, I'll be trying to figure out the editing process. New intro on the way too, so stay tuned for that. New intro, new year, new vibes, new everything. It ain't a too long ride, but it's a decent little ride. It's a little chilly too. I ain't gonna even cap y'all down, but I had to get out here. It's that season. I got a couple little layers on, and y'all gonna quit commenting talking about put some gear on. I stay with my gear on the regular. Respectfully, I think y'all be trying it. Vivid going up. That whole parking lot loaded. Be riding with some of the guys on some different days, so don't even trip. I'm still in the group chat. You know how y'all be like, this made it out the group chat. I ain't gonna cap. I think this little video might make it its way a little bit out the group chat. We'll see when we get here, and I hope it ain't too dark. I remember to take my ND filter off. So we should be solid. Where that's coming from? Oh shit. APD. Wonder what's going on and where at. It's too much traffic to be playing. I feel like I just seen another one go up there right before that one. I hope everybody's safe. I'm going straight back routes. And I think this is gonna be a 2-part video. We'll see. Don't quote me on that. We'll see. Georgia curvy like a thick chick. You hear me? Wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby. How y'all feel about those e-bikes? I low-key think I want one. I ain't gonna cap. Like something different. You can even wheelie an e-bike. Is that illegal? I think any bike being wheelie is probably illegal. I thought I just seen a cop. Oh, there they go. They way down there. They moving. I had a long day at the shop though. I ain't gonna cap. Overly booked. Booked and busy. A blessing. But I still made a way to get out here and get active for y'all. You hear me? Look at them about to run that damn moped over. It's the trenches. Y'all see them outside? All the fiends. All the junkies. They put an HBCU in the trenches. It's gonna keep it that. And she gonna walk as soon as it go green. But don't run up on me. Don't run up on me, auntie. That's what y'all call unc and auntie. Stop calling regular folks unc and auntie. I don't care what age I get. If I ain't no fiend, don't call me no unc on my soul. And y'all know I ain't no fiend. Ooh, sheesh. Yeah. JJ Food Mart. When you name a Food Mart JJ, you know it's in the trenches. How it smell like cigarettes on the block outside? That's crazy. Hey man, be grateful. Be grateful for the life you live. Cause some people ain't enjoying the life that they live. I would go around, but I ain't even gonna mess with all that gravel right there. Rushing to get yourself hurt and end up in the pothole. Bro, oh my God. You were on a crutch in the middle of the road while traffic is coming. Is that what you call YOLO? That gotta be. They trying to clean it up a little bit over here. This street wasn't this crispy. I ain't gonna cap. Joseph E. Lowry. MLK. Shit going on. Okay. Oh, that's a girl. She said, I'm a nigga first, baby. Ah! Why she pull up in the dunk? On 34s. Yeah. Get ran over if you want to. Oh my God. Look, they like, oh my God. What are we doing out here? How is it all this traffic? Ain't no way. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. We gotta turn left too. Ooh-wee. Why y'all floating? That corner store is still there. Camp is definitely keeping that store alive, cause ain't no way. Ain't no way. That's a house. Drug-free zone. Yeah, aight. What Blueface said? Yeah, aight. Yeah, aight. Stop the cap. It should be. There's definitely a college right here. Y'all put it in the wrong spot to say that. This where the event at. I wonder what car is about to be out here today. Leave a comment. What's your favorite car? Oh, they added more buildings right here. Oh yeah, more student housing. I think the tennis court was right there before. And we're not going up through that way like I thought. We're going around to the front. I'm supposed to be meeting bro over here at this gas station. I'm not waiting for these cars no more. On everything I love, I'm not. I swear. It was definitely staring pretty hard. What's that word? Gang.
Yeah, bye.
What's poppin'?
Yeah,
You straight? What's good, gang? I see y'all. Okay. I see y'all with the covers.
This shit loose as fuck.
Yeah. I had to, like when I put my gun on, I'll be having to loosen mine some.
My shit all the way as far as it can go, and it's still loose as fuck. So I don't know if you can swap me out.
Yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah, that's swap it. Them boots hard too. Twin came big drip. I came fanny pack today.
Yeah, I go lie, she came there too because we ain't having enough space, but we ain't still having a couple bags.
Came backpack.
Fanny back in the bag.
Oh yeah.
I just got some chips and shit.
Is this truck about to be there? This truck probably about to be there. It got the Insta360 pulled up there.
Oh, yeah.
What's the word? You about to pull up to the meet?
Yeah.
For sure, say that.
Hosting it.
Oh, you hosting it?
Yeah.
When it start?
6:30.
Okay, for sure. Oh, yeah, we coming for sure. Yeah, we reposted the flyer. For sure, Marcus.
Oh, bet.
Say that.
Bro. Thanks. Bet. Alright, man. I'll see y'all there.
Bet, say that.
At first when I got down here, I'm like, I'm on nervous. Like, where the fuck everybody at?
Not where everybody at. You went over to campus?
Huh?
You went over there?
No, I just been like right here, but like I passed up a couple of Morehouse things and nothing was talking about shit.
Yeah, it's over by it. Like the football field right here is usually on that side, right behind it. But you gotta go. We gotta go to the front and come around type deal. And come in. Oh, so we can pull up over there right now if you want to. Let's do it. Yep.
What brand that is?
Insta360.
Let me write that.
For sure. Yeah, definitely. It shows your whole full body.
That's what I want.
Yeah. It's usually right there. Let's see if they moved it. Can I go down that way? Nah. I'm gonna come around the front. Yeah, it might be somewhere else. Is it over there? Where them cars going? Spellman's campus. The flyer definitely said Morehouse. The house. Nigga, my old shop. I used to cut in there. I used to be getting that in. Okay. Beamer clean.
Right there. Yeah. Right
Go
there.
right?
Yeah, to the right, yeah.
Oh yeah. W. Yep. Let me see.
Watch this. I'm about to go get on a skateboard.
Oh yeah, you on board say early. Just let my... Look at him. He can't wait. In a biker gear though. Uh-huh.
Hey, where you cut hair at?
When we rolled by and I was pointing at that little building right there in the middle, that's where I was cutting hair at.
Oh, are you doing it?
Ain't that barbershop right there?
Oh, shit.
You on God. They love them some me. They brought the bikes out. Or one ski. Or a 7 in the cut. I think that's This bitch so nasty. No cap. Mopar gang, ATL. Oh yeah. They got that heat out, SRT gang. Why so serious? They got the zip ties in there? Yeah, they like don't fly away. So we active?
Hey, we're gonna split the bikes up. So one group here, one group on this other side. We're moving the metal link side.
Okay.
So try and get them all in one line.
So wait, which bikes though? The bikes that's in the back or the bikes that's right here already?
In the back. The
Okay.
ones that are right here are already good right here.
Okay, yeah, we right here.
I love your outfit.
This colorway though.
That like it's a matte purple.
My body. All got that.
Oh, dang, I didn't even peep. Oh shit.
Yo, what's the deal, Mario?
How old is he?
He's 16 weeks. That's a camera?
Yeah. 2 boys and a girl.
Yes. She got a sister too. It's not next to the lab.
Y'all have shoes on. What the fuck
That's
that
Forge Carbon. Oh, it's on top of that shit too.
I want that on my. I got it black, but I need.
That's a sleeper.
They put this in a cut.
Cause it's a car show for real.
Yeah.
We just come take over.
What later there was a car and bike one, right?
Nope, all car. It's a lot of car stuff going on right now because it's still low-key cold. Yeah, this look crazy. You got your grandma on your shit too?
Well, I was about to go cut some vinyl out and make my shit.
Look at this.
Put it on there.
Oh yeah.
It's the same one I got. Same as that car.
They put the vinyl on the back of this bitch. Overly freaky, no kids.
You, this should say overly freaky.
Trying to go?
Oh, they pulling up.
Yeah.
On YouTube, MrMarcusTv.
Yeah, that's it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Leave me a sub. Appreciate it. Oh, that's the girl I seen riding down Joseph E. Oh, God. That's her shit. It's a female. That's why you wear earplugs. Cause that'll do your eardrum bad.
I don't know if I'll be able to see you, but
12. Another side?
I think you like to go on this bitch too, like that one little Mustang.
Absolutely no refunds. Jerk fries. I might have to come jerk fries on them folks.
Yo.
It's like they got permission to do this and they just like.
Why she got that bitch on her? Okay.
Rib, mac and cheese, baked beans.
All pork?
Huh?
All pork?
I got beef rib. Pork, I got beef rib, jerk chicken. Pork sausage, pork rib.
Okay. I'll fuck around over there.
Okay.
On God, because that's the next one we going to.
Okay.
On God.
Where about on Chesapeake y'all going?
Or Cindy Marcus.
Okay.
Cindy Marcus event.
Yeah, send me that. Let me see what's on.
So right after this one over,
Where is it gonna be up top? Where Best Buy and Home Depot at?
I think it might be at the bottom where the where that little furniture store is at. Not up under it.
Ashley?
Yep, right behind it, like right next to it, because you know it's a big parking lot right there, more so.
But it's gonna be the top though.
Nah, that's the garage. I think it's next to it, behind the gas station, the Quick Trip.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That furniture store.
Yeah. Okay.
You on God. Yep. And I got that yeah on me. Duh. Good content on the way. And the mic. You see the mic on me? You see the fucking mic? Oh, this bro. Wait, that's curry chicken patty? Yeah. Oh yeah, it's good.
Curry chicken patty.
That's what I was talking about over there that I wanted. And they said only beef patty. Big lamb. Shit going on. Whole lot of shit going on. Know that. Know that. W Eats.
Yes, sir.
W Eats on the floor.
I know what's going on.
Y'all see it?
Yeah.
Chef, cook up. Twin over here cooking up. Real chicken, real jerk.
Y'all see the chicken? Y'all see the chicken? Stop playing. Going off the bone.
Turned up in my shows, yeah, cause I got that blick. In my shows, yeah, cause I'm right here with me. I'm just fit for him. One haters, and they y'all can kiss my ass. Turn
Nah, hell nah.
Oh, get that off your chest. Those bitches crazy.
Too crazy for a nigga, bro.
See me do my dance. Got $1 million and it's my ass. It's 7 p.m. Got that blick. 60,000 fans can't turned up with my niggas.
Why she got the speaker purse though?
Oh yeah, for sure.
She snapped. Oh yeah. Everybody sub right now.